Hi everyone, Robot Man here. I have over 30 years experience in teaching in classrooms and over 20 years teaching robotics. And I can cater for just about any audience, no matter what the age, from kinder right through to year 12. I've been to schools all over Tassie and I love a road trip. Any age, any school, anywhere in Tasmania. I will bring everything that I need to run an exciting, engaging, interesting, inspiring workshop in your school. It doesn't matter if it's one class or a whole school or anything in between. Check out the calendar option on my website and see when there's a blank date. If it's blank, it means I'm available. So pick a date and you're halfway there. You should tick many of those Digitech boxes in your curriculum when you invite me to your school. I've been to heaps of schools, many of them several times. Some schools get me back once a year. Some schools get me back twice a year. Some schools get me back every second year. But I tell you what, if I've never been to your school, you're missing out. You should check out the testimonials and reviews on my Facebook page and my website and even on Google. If you Google Robot Man, you can see some reviews there. All I need to run a workshop is an indoor space. A classroom size or bigger is good. It can have carpet or no carpet, that's fine. Sometimes I've worked in classrooms, sometimes I've worked in libraries or gymnasiums or even foyers, music rooms, multi-purpose rooms. Anywhere where there's a flat indoor space with no furniture, that's all I need. I guarantee engagement. That's one thing I hear from just about everywhere I go. The kids are so engaged. Whether it's building battle bots or Lego races or some sort of coding for a board game or a puzzle, I'll bring plenty of resources that I've developed over the last few years. Whether your children are experts or novices, no experience is necessary, but I cater for all individual needs. So what's holding you back? Why haven't you booked Robot Man yet? It's super easy. Just pick a date and I'll get back to you. I'll even send you a blank timetable to fill in when we work out how many sessions you want. And you can share that timetable with your staff. Doesn't really matter about the kid's age or their ability. I can run exciting workshops from all kinder kids all the way up to year 12. A session usually consists of one class attending for about 90 minutes on average. Younger kids, sometimes shorter sessions. Older kids, sometimes longer sessions. You can decide how long the sessions are, anywhere from 60 to 120 minutes. The more sessions you book, the cheaper each session is. Usually at schools I'll go for 2 or 3 sessions in a day, sometimes 4. If you want to squeeze in 4, we can arrange that. It depends really on what you want and how you've structured your bell times, your recess and lunch breaks. So I'm very flexible. I will do what you want because I'm awesome, even if I do say so myself. And you don't have to pay anything until after the workshops, not even a deposit. And I'll just send an invoice to you and you can send it to the person in charge of your finances at your school. So why not get on my calendar, pick a date, get me to come to your school. I'll send you a quote once you tell me how many classes you want. Average class size usually between 20 and 24. If you want to check out my workshops, check out my YouTube shorts on my YouTube channel. I've been to over 104 schools since I started my business back in 2018 and I want to come to your school. I do. So make sure you check out my website www.robotman.com.au or my YouTube channel, and of course you see me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Yeah, I'm a social media genius. Not really, but anyway. Please like this video and tag your teacher friends below in the comments. Awesome. Cheers. Thank you. Goodbye. I am not a robot.